Okay, episode 2. After we was putting this back together, we found out that this little piece right here, see that little wavy piece right there? It's too thick for the power cord to go completely flush in there. It's flush in there, works great, just needs to download for an update. No red dot there. Let's go ahead and put this back together, turn this off, unpower it, and show you the red code that we're getting. Okay, back together. Listen, you see what I'm talking about? You see that little distance there? It's a little distance between here. Too much distance there. So what we're gonna do, push that in as hard as we can, so you can see that there.
No.
Red dot. There you go. That space there is too much. You got to melt that out. Maybe get a lighter and a screwdriver and melt out the casing here. The stop goes in there. That little rim. Here, let's get a little pointer. It's a little rim around here. Needs to be melted so that this plug can go all the way in there. So let's take this apart and we're going to melt it.